Part 3 of the iLogic vessel tutorial continues with the development of the shell. The objective will be to create a shell that is driven by the dimensions in the parent assembly. Once complete, you will understand how to use parameters and dimensions to control the shell for use in iLogic vessel assemblies. Create a new part based on the vessel IPT template. And save the file as shell.ipt. Open the parameters dialog box and delete the type parameter. We don't need that for the vessel shell. We do need the seam to seam length, so we'll create a new parameter called len. We'll set it to feet units. Make it a default value of 3. Turn on the key and the export. And for the comment, it will be vessel seam to seam length. And our skirt offset parameter will be skofs. We'll leave it as inches. We'll give it a value of -6. And we'll call it vessel skirt offset distance. Those are all the parameters we need for the shell, so click Done, and we'll move on to the sketch. Create this sketch on the XZ plane and rename it to SK Shell. Finish the sketch and create an extrusion using the profile and length as the distance. Rename the extrusion to shell. And we will now place our iMates. So click Manage, click iMate, and we want to do Insert Opposed on the top, so Apply, and on the bottom, Apply. And we want to rename both of these to be Vessel. Now we'll create 2 aligned insert iMates on the bottom. So insert aligned on the bottom. And for the second one, we will give it a distance of skofs, because that will tell where the skirt is in relation to the vessel shell. So click Apply. Rename the first one you did to Datum, and the second one to skofs. And there is our completed shell. So save the file. If you want to get the jump on things, you can save a copy of it as skirt. That will be the subject of the next part in our series.